Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to pay with PayPal on DHgate in 2025. DHgate is an awesome platform for scoring deals on everything from electronics to fashion, and using PayPal makes your transactions secure and hassle-free. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a quick refresh, this tutorial will have you paying like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a DHgate account. If you don't, head over to their website and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, browse for the items you want, add them to your cart, and proceed to checkout. This is just like shopping on any other site, so no worries there. At the checkout page, you'll see a list of payment options. Scroll until you find PayPal and select it as your preferred method. DHgate might ask for some basic info, but that's all part of ensuring your payment goes smoothly. Next, you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal credentials. Remember to use a secure connection for safety. Review the payment details, including the total amount, and hit confirm. PayPal will handle the rest, processing your payment instantly. Once the payment is approved, you'll be redirected back to DHgate, where you'll see a confirmation of your order. Take a moment to double-check the details like shipping address and order summary. And just like that, you're done. A few quick tips to make this even easier. Always keep your PayPal account updated with the latest security features. Watch out for any currency conversion fees if you're shopping internationally, and if you run into any issues, DHgate's customer support is there to help. By 2025, these processes are even more streamlined, so expect a seamless experience. There you have it. Paying with PayPal on DHgate is as easy as 1, 2, 3. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.